much. Words spoken truly where person very passionate about her job and cares about the students. Lucky to have you, ma'am. Alright, this is an alumni event. The alumni, they know each other, but the current students, as in the first year students as well as the second year students, they don't really know that. They don't really know what they look like, how they were, how this entire institution looked a few years back. So may I please have a presentation which could acquaint the students with the alumni and which could make that alumni nostalgic.
As there are some real interesting games lined up for you. So I will request the lovely lady Sampada Adalkar to please carry us through this game.
Now, yes. Hi all of you. You all must be very nostalgic now, right? How about sharing few memories? Yes or not? You are right up in the memory ball then. Who would participate? Come on. Please, Please do the honors. You have to just open it and read it.
Not memorable copying day. Copying day.
The tip reads, the most memorable copying day. So he shares his memory with us now.
Okay, my name is Kunal. I am from the 2005 batch, and I myself never copied. Okay. So unfortunately, my roll number used to fall always in such a way that I was the first person on the bench. So I could never copy because otherwise I have to look back. But in one of the exams, I remember. I got the last bench, so I was thinking, okay, might be I can ask a couple of questions to my friends. And Sejraj was right in front of me, but still I didn't have the guts to ask him. I didn't want to fall into trouble. But there was a girl called Jasmina Gomes, who was the quietest girl in the class, and you could never hear what she spoke. And she was in the next bench. And she was asking Sejraj one question that please tell me the answer to this. And of course Sejraj couldn't hear what she was asking. She asked him thrice or 4 times and he still couldn't answer. So unfortunately she did not get the privilege. I remember once, this is another incident when we had a professor called Professor M.B. Thakur for accounts. Okay, and he had asked me and another classmate of mine called Manish Nathu to invigilate some internal exam for BMS students, and they were split in two classes, and I was in one class and he was in the other, and Professor M.B. Thakur just went away somewhere. So the students in my class actually pleaded to me that can we please copy, it's a very tough exam. So I stood at the door and told them, okay, as soon as I raise my hand, stop copying till the time you can copy. And so they started copying furiously, etc. and they started making a lot of noise. So the Manish Nathu from the other class came to my class and asked, can I allow the other students to copy as well? So I said, yeah, what's the big deal, it's an internal exam. So I aided other people to copy, but I never copied myself.
It's their blessing today which is on.
Thank you so much for your answer. Here's a chocolate to you. You have to blow your eyes.
Close your eyes, Katie. नहीं आती है.
Come on. Ashim says, I skipped lectures and... Come on. Introduce yourself first.
Good evening, guys. My name is Tushar. I am from MSM 2005 batch. The thing was like, script goes like this. We used to work in Sherkan at that time, and we guys used to run a lot to attend the lecture. The timings were 6:15 to 9:30, but anyhow we used to make it by 7:30, 8 o'clock. So that was our prime objective. While working, we used to give preference to our lectures also. We never missed lectures practically. But it was fun 2005 till 2008.
Who used to skip the lectures? They skip them.
The person who used to skip the lectures is not here today. We are always the attenders. Thank you.
Thank you so much. This table now. Come on. Open it. In my most boring class, I would
Obviously sleep.
Anything else other than sleeping?
We always used to take the same name, Rajaram.
Chocolate for you too. Close your eyes and then take the chocolate. Yes, only one. The next table. The masti that I did during the lectures.